Ascend and Awaken, a life of balance. Welcome to Ascend and Awaken. Today, we'll explore one of the simplest yet most profound practices taught by Zen master Thich Nhat Hanh, Pebble Meditation. This gentle practice uses 4 small pebbles as symbols, helping us touch peace, clarity, and joy in the present moment. It's so simple that even children can practice it, yet so deep that it carries the wisdom of an entire spiritual path. The wisdom of Thich Nhat Hanh. Thich Nhat Hanh, often called Thay by his students, dedicated his life to teaching mindfulness in everyday life. He believed that peace is not found in some distant future. It is available right here, in each breath, each step, each moment. Pebble Meditation reflects this teaching beautifully. By holding and breathing with 4 simple pebbles, we reconnect with the natural qualities of the mind and heart that are always available within us. The 4 pebbles and their meanings. Pebble Meditation is built around 4 symbols, each represented by a pebble. Flower, symbol of freshness and renewal. Mountain, symbol of solidity and stability. Still water, symbol of clarity and calm reflection. Space, symbol of freedom and openness. Together, these 4 qualities guide us back to balance and wholeness. First pebble, flower, freshness. Take the first pebble and breathe. As you inhale, silently say, breathing in, I see myself as a flower. As you exhale, breathing out, I feel fresh. This reminds us that no matter our age or struggles, we carry the capacity for renewal. Like a flower, we can bring beauty and freshness into the world. Lesson: you are not defined by the past. Each breath is a chance to begin anew. Second pebble. Mountain. Stability. Take the second pebble. Inhale. Breathing in, I see myself as a mountain. Exhale. Breathing out, I feel solid. Mountains endure storms, winds, and changing seasons, yet they remain steady. In the same way, we can cultivate inner stability. Lesson: no matter what challenges arise, there is a still, grounded part of us that cannot be shaken. Third pebble, still water, clarity. Pick up the third pebble. Inhale. Breathing in, I see myself as still water. Exhale. Breathing out, I reflect things as they are. When water is agitated, it cannot reflect the sky. When water is calm, it mirrors reality with clarity. Our minds work the same way. Lesson: peace comes when we allow the mind to settle. In stillness, truth becomes clear. Fourth pebble, space, freedom. Finally, take the 4th pebble. Inhale. Breathing in, I see myself as space. Exhale. Breathing out, I feel free. Space holds everything, stars, planets, life itself, yet it remains open and vast. When we practice spaciousness in our heart, we give freedom to ourselves and to others. Lesson: true love and peace are found in giving space, not in clinging or controlling. The power of simple symbols. Why does this practice work so well? Because the human mind responds to symbols. A simple pebble held with awareness becomes a gateway to wisdom. The flower awakens joy. The mountain anchors stability. The still water restores clarity. The space opens freedom. Each quality is already within you. The pebbles are simply reminders. Practicing pebble meditation in daily life. You don't need a monastery to practice pebble meditation. You can keep 4 small stones on your desk and pause during stressful moments. Teach it to children as a bedtime ritual for calmness. Use it in nature, collecting pebbles from a riverbank or garden to deepen your connection to the earth. Even a few minutes a day can shift your state of being. Thich Nhat Hanh once said, "Peace is every step." Pebble meditation shows us that peace is also every breath, every symbol, every small reminder of the beauty already within us. By practicing with a flower, a mountain, still water and space, we return to our true nature, fresh, stable, clear, and free. If this teaching touched you, I'd love to hear how you might bring pebble meditation into your own life. Subscribe to Ascend and Awaken, a life of balance, for more weekly insights from timeless spiritual teachers and practices. Peace, love, and light to you on your continual spiritual journey. Ascend and Awaken, a life of balance.